Good afternoon and welcome back to the Perkins Garage's YouTube channel for another instalment of Dan's quickfire 5-minute-ish walk around videos. This here is a chrome blue Ford Fiesta Active X MHEV. And that is a mild hybrid electrical vehicle, so there's no plugging in, there's no waiting for it to charge, just jump in it and get some very competitive MPG, partly thanks to the 1-litre EcoBoost engine producing 125 PS of power. That then is transmitted through the front wheels through a 6-speed manual gearbox. This vehicle has only done 1,820 miles from one previous owner. Registered on a 23 plate, we will be taking Ford manufacturer warranty all the way till June 2026. So let's crack on. Find the description below, then you'll find 3 very useful links. The first one will take you to the full listing of this vehicle, showing you the pricing and the full and accurate specification. The second one will take you to our part exchange valuation tool, and within a minute you'll have a valuation straight in your inbox. And the third one will take you to our finance calculator. So if you do require finance for this vehicle, you can juggle around your numbers until you find something that works for you. So arriving at the front, these are the LED projector headlights and also LED daytime runners for good measure. Going south now, we can make our way around that front bumper. Look how beautiful that chrome blue colour is, and the gloss black trims as well. Just underneath the number plate there is that little front facing radar, which is responsible for some of the driver assistance pack on board, such as pre-collision assist. Now moving ourselves around, how special are these? These are the 18-inch shadow black machine cut alloy wheels. Machine cut will give it a silver shiny face with the gloss black paint just behind. And the tyres fitted are the wonderful Continental Eco Contacts, Premium Contacts, fantastic Continental tyres, I forgot what they're called. And again, they've only done 1,800 miles of work, so they're in marvellous condition. Lovely Active X, active badging on the side there. Often get asked, what is the difference between the ST line variant and the Active? Well, the difference is 30mm raised ride height, so 30mm on the suspension there, bringing the vehicle up just a smidge. That's going to improve the ride comfort. It's going to be a nice and comfortable drive in these Active Fiestas. On the windscreen now we have a few more bits of tech. That there's a sensor, that's a light sensor, so as the sun goes down and the moon comes up, your lights will come on automatically. At the top of the windscreen you can see 3 other sensors. The longest one in the middle there is a traffic speed sign recognition camera. The top left is a light sensor for the auto high beam. The top right is a rain sensor for the rain sensing wipers. At the top of the vehicle we have these beautiful matte black roof rails, so if you did require putting a roof box on, it's easily achievable. Down to the body of the vehicle now, we can have a look. We've got some lovely heated mirrors there. They will heat up in no time at all. A keyless entry on the driver's door handle, so click on those 4 lines to lock the vehicle and tap behind the handle to lock the vehicle once again. Starting to move ourselves around the body of the offside. The chrome blue goes beautifully with the rear privacy glass. This stage of the video I just gently rock you down the offside of the body like so, demonstrating how beautiful all the body panels are. Back round to the offside rear now, another beautiful 18-inch machine cut alloy wheels, and this vehicle has rear drum brakes. Now, ultra efficient rear braking design, if you like, and they adjust inside so you won't have to throw parts at them every 30,000 miles. Around the back we have a high definition reversing camera, which I'll give you a dramatic zoom in to, like so. We have the EcoBoost hybrid badging, also the 1886, the year Perkins was founded. Been doing this for a very long time. I wasn't around back then, but we're obviously doing something okay. Rear parking sensors, and that leads us now to the near side of the body. I'll give you a gentle rock down here as well. Hold your horses, hope you don't feel too seasick. As you can see, near side looking just exquisite. Near side rear wheel now. These are the premium contact tyres. Now I can read it. Continental Premium Contact 6 tyres. That's better. Struggled reading that upside down. Near side front now, again, immaculate condition Conti. So all 4 Continentals in marvellous condition. Now that concludes the exterior walk around. Let's have a look inside. So opening up the boot, and the Fiesta has been a staple of the British motor industry for many a year, and it's a shame it's come to the end, but it's your chance to grab a fantastic condition one just here. So massive boot space, very generously volumed, big enough for your shopping, couple of dogs, suitcase. Underneath the boot liner there is a tyre sealant kit and compressor, and hopefully that will repair a screw or a nail in the side of your tyre if it was trying to ruin your day. Moving on to the offside rear door, we can start to have a look at some interior. So a hard wearing plastic door card leading in to the first of 4 electric window buttons. I think the Active X interior is very pretty. It's half leather, so you've got that ebony leather and suede in the lower back and the base part of the seat. And it's all defined, but it's lovely blue active stitching and the active pattern in the suede. 2 ISO fixing points, so one on the right hand rear and one again on the left hand rear. On the floor there are the active mats, all good to go. One less thing to worry about after purchasing. On to the driver's seat now to show you through some of the controls. We have all 4 electric windows. We have rear child lock and mirror adjustment on that cluster there. Interior locking is actually just left of the door handle. Here we have a soft touch synthetic leather armrest leading into again some beautifully constructed front seats. Again, that lovely ebony leather, suede in the lower back, perforated leather, and beautiful. These are manually adjustable seats, and then it's going to jump in now. They are manually adjustable seats, but heated seats also, so 2 heated front seats and an electronically heated steering wheel. I'm just going to jump inside the vehicle to show you around a few controls. I do apologise for any interference on my microphone. So now inside the vehicle, although it is sunny, starting down here, that's where you can find your automated lights, including front and rear fogs, and dimmer switch for the driver display. So we're inside the vehicle now, so we're just going to turn the engine on, engine start stop button, foot to press on the clutch pedal, one click of the button there, and that turns everything on. So to begin with, manual speedo, so manual dials. So we have the RPM gauge to the left hand side, a cooling temperature sensor at the bottom, your fuel gauge to the right hand side there, and your speedometer, so miles per hour on the outside and kilometers an hour in the middle. Digital driver display in the middle, currently displaying the mileage top left, which is 1806.9. This is a little hybrid gauge. We have a driver assistance pack on board, including things such as traffic speed, sign recognition, lane keeping system, driver alert, a rear park pilot. So that is the driver assistance pack on board. So I think I said at the start it had pre-collision assist, which it does not. So that is just for your lane keeping system on that sensor there. We do have your audio, you have your phone connectivity, and different vehicle settings on board. You can go to different vehicle settings like so and adjust all these goodies here, such as your lighting, for example. In the headlamp delay. Wonderful. So that is a bit about the screen, like so. Left hand side you can see the cruise control and the speed limiter, and below that are your volume controls, volume minus, plus, and the mute button. The engine start stop button is just found there. Leading into the central part, we have the manual handbrake because we have rear drums. These are adjustable cup holders. We have a selectable drive mode, traction control off, and we have a on and off for the automated stop start. 6-speed manual gearbox with a 12-volt socket one side and USB-A the other. Down here, these are all of your heating, ventilation and air conditioning controls. Very simple. Fan speed to one side, temperature control to the other. Heated seats are found at the bottom. These are 3-way adjustable. Electronically heated screen, perfect for those frosty months ahead of us. And obviously your heated steering wheel is on this button here. That will defrost your fingers in no time at all. Left hand side, different demist and automatic. Different flows of vents are found in the middle, with air conditioning and recirculation found to the right hand side. Leading up to conclude this video on this Sync 3 module. Audio is found bottom left with phone connectivity, mobile apps and settings. This does support Apple CarPlay and Android Auto using a USB data cable, so your regular charging cable, which will go in that USB slot there, or the one in the little central compartment in there. So this is a lovely little screen. Put it into reverse and you can see your reversing camera and your park pilot for the rear parking sensors there for good measure. And there we are. That is a walkaround on this lovely Ford Fiesta Active X mild hybrid. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you want to find out more, please do give us a call on 01376 550 899 or drop us an email at sales@perkinsgarages.co.uk. If you're still with us, you might as well hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you around for the next video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye for now.